Hello friends, today I will show you how to make a healthy horse gram chutney powder. Here I am taking one bowl of horse gram and roasting it in a low flame till it becomes red. Then I have taken handful of curry leaves and dry roasted it. Following that, I have taken 8 to 10 red chillies and added 1 teaspoon of oil and roasted till it becomes crispy. Then I have taken 1 bowl of dry coconut which is grated and added 1 pinch of tamarind and roasted till it becomes little red. Following that, I added 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of jaggery and hing and grinded it till it becomes a coarse powder. Now the horse gram chutney powder is ready. This can be used as a side dish along with rice and ghee, chapati, idli and dosa.